Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is media literacy? So let's talk about what is media literacy. In this lesson, we will talk about the following topics. And the first one is modern age filled with media? Is all information we receive factual? Do we consume media wisely? How does media literacy educate us? And at the end, we have questions to talk about. Okay, so let's first talk about, is modern age filled with media? The first point is, we live in a world that is filled with media of all kinds, from newspapers, radio, television to the internet. In fact, 24 hours a day, we are surrounded by all types of media around us. We have the next point. In fact, we live in an age where information travels faster than expected. Every one of us has easy access to mobile, laptop, computer, and so on. We have more ideas. So the next point is all information we receive, we get factual? But have we ever thought the information which we consume every second, every moment, or every hour of our breath is factual or not? Is that accurate or not? Reliable or not? Do we question ourselves whatever we receive in an objective manner? Should we accept whatever we come across blindly without reasonable explanation, without any question in our mind? Of course not. We move on to the next. Do we consume media wisely? That is where we need to make sure whatever we consume should be done wisely. It is here the role of media literacy comes to play. So let's first talk about what is media literacy. And the first point in the direction is, according to the Center for Media Literacy, a leading advocacy organization of the United States of America, media literacy provides a framework, provides an outline, provides a guide to access, to reach, to analyze, to evaluate, create, and participate with messages in a variety of forms, from print to video to the internet. We have some more ideas about what is media literacy. Media literacy is the ability to apply critical thinking to the messages we receive, all types of messages we receive, all types of information we come across, all types of data we come across. So we have to put critical thinking to the messages we receive every day, every moment on mobile, laptop, or through internet. We have also to apply critical thinking to the signs that we see, because internet is not, print or electronic media is not all about messages in the written form, in the linguistic form. They may also be into signs of all sorts. So we have to put critical thinking to what extent those signs that are intended to us are useful in our context. And symbols transmitted through mass media. So we have to put critical thinking to the messages we receive, signs we see, and the symbols we come across, which are transmitted through mass media in different ways, in a variety of ways, to impress upon us. We have some more ideas about media literacy. How does media literacy empower us? Media literacy enables us to understand and evaluate all of the media messages we encounter on a daily basis. It empowers us to make better choices, what we intend to read, what we intend to watch, and what we intend to listen to. It also helps us become smarter, more discerning members of society, more educated members of society, much wiser members of society. Now it's time to talk about questions. And the first question is, explain what do you mean by media literacy? And the answer is already in the slides we talked about. How does media literacy educate us? We have some more questions. Right, true, or false against each statement. Think about which of the statement is true or false. We don't live in a world filled with media. Is it true or false? Think about this. Every one of us has easy access to information. True or false? Think about this. All information we consume every day is factual. Now think about this as well. Accepting information blindly is media literacy. Is that so? Think about this, whether it is true or false. Media literacy helps us to analyze, evaluate, and create messages rationally. Is it true or false? Think of that too. Media literacy is the art of applying critical thinking to information. Is this statement true or false? Now let's find out the answer and check out yourself. The first one is false. The second one is true. Every one of us has easy access to information. Information is easily available. So that statement is true. All information we consume every day is factual. No, of course not. We come across a lot of information through internet, and all information we receive, we go through is not factual, is not real. So this statement is false. Accepting information blindly is media literacy. No. Media literacy educates us, teaches us not to accept any information blindly and irrationally. Therefore, this statement is false. Media literacy helps us to analyze, evaluate, and create messages rationally. Of course, this is true. Media literacy is the art of applying critical thinking to information. Of course, this statement is also true. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.